Are you having trouble getting your Freeform search function to work on iPadOS 18? You're not alone. Many users have been experiencing issues with this feature, and it can be frustrating when something that's supposed to make our lives easier just doesn't seem to work. In today's video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this issue and walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So what could be causing your Freeform search function to malfunction? Well, let's start by understanding what Freeform search is. Freeform search allows you to search for specific content within an app or document using natural language. It's a powerful tool that can save you time and effort, but it relies on various factors working together seamlessly. One possible reason your Freeform search might not be working is due to compatibility issues with the app or document you're trying to search. Make sure the app or document is updated to the latest version, as this could resolve any compatibility problems. Another possibility is that the search function is being blocked by some setting or restriction on your iPad. Check your settings to ensure that the Freeform search feature is enabled and not restricted in any way. Now, let's dive deeper into some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, try restarting your iPad and see if this resolves the problem. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders. If restarting doesn't work, try checking for any software updates available for your iPad. Ensure that your iPad is running the latest version of iPadOS 18. Next, let's explore some more advanced troubleshooting steps. Have you checked the app or document settings to ensure that Freeform search is enabled? Sometimes this setting might be disabled by default, so make sure to check and enable it if necessary. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be worth resetting your iPad settings to their default values. This will remove any customizations you've made, but could potentially resolve the problem. So, what are from our discussion today? Firstly, compatibility issues with apps or documents can cause problems with Freeform search. Make sure everything is up to date. Secondly, check your settings to ensure that the Freeform search feature is enabled and not restricted in any way. Thirdly, try restarting your iPad, checking for software updates, and enabling Freeform search within app or document settings. Lastly, if all else fails, consider resetting your iPad settings to their default value. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation helped you understand the possible reasons behind your Freeform search function not working on iPadOS 18 and provided you with some actionable steps to resolve the issue. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content. What's been your experience with Freeform search on iPadOS 18? Share your thoughts in the comments.